Hey everyone, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and the 4th of July is coming up really soon, and so I wanted to show you how you can make a very simple 4th of July banner. It's a great way to just add a little something extra to really celebrate and get in the spirit of the 4th of July. The first thing you will do is grab your jute and you will cut it to the length that you want your banner to be. For me, I ended up doing about 6 feet. I wanted to make one that is kind of long, but that is up to you how long you want it to be. You will first start with the blue polka dot ribbon, and you are going to cut it to 18 inches. Fold the ribbon in half and have it go over the top of the jute. Take the ends of the ribbon, create a loop, and pull the ends through. You will then tighten it so that it is secure on the jute. Next, you will grab your red felt. You will want it to be 9 inches long, and then you want the strip to be 2 inches wide. So you'll go ahead and cut the felt to those dimensions. Fold the felt in half, and then you are going to cut from both corners and then meet in the middle to cut out a small triangle from the bottom of the felt. Lay the felt folded over on the jute, and you will then take your felt glue and glue the 2 pieces of felt together and glue it to the jute as well. Take the metal stars and glue them to the felt banner. You will put 1 star in the middle, and this will be your biggest star. And then 2 small stars, one will be above it and another one below it. Next, you will grab the blue plaid ribbon and you will cut it to 18 inches. Fold it in half over the jute, and then you will tie the same knot that we did before. Cut off another piece of plaid ribbon, and you will want it to be about 6 to 8 inches long, and then you will tie a small little bow. You can create 2 little bunny ears and tie a knot to make a simple bow, and then you will attach it to the plaid piece of ribbon that's already tied on to the jute. Next, you will take your red ribbon and cut it to about 18 inches long. You will then fold it in half over the jute, bring up the ends to create a loop, and tie a knot to secure it to the jute, just like we did with all the other ribbon. Next, we are going to create a little fringe on our ribbon. So you will grab your scissors and cut up the ribbon about to the top of the knot, and you will do this until each piece of ribbon is cut into a few different pieces. Make sure you don't cut all the way through, but just pretty much all the way up to that knot. Now you have used all the different ribbons that will be included on the banner, and now you will just repeat all of those same steps, repeating that same pattern until you get all the way to the end of the jute. Once you get to the end, you can add some glue to the jute, and then take your red ribbon and tie a knot at the end of the jute. make sure you do the same thing on both sides. And once the ends are complete, then your banner is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.